Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live for love, you will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now till my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live for love, you will have and hold you. You look so
Ay, hello po ma'am. Magandang hapon po. Meron po bang baby Lou dito?
Yes, opo.
Pwede po sa kanya ma'am.
Ay, wait lang.
Sige po ma'am.
Yes po.
Ma'am, dumating na po kasi yung mga shinaping ninyo na damit, mga sapatos. Tama po, di ba? FD 260 Pines Park, KM4 La Trinidad, Lou Pingawan Calag.
Opo.
Tama po.
Yes po.
Bali,
order.
wala po ba ma'am? Kasi po, nakapangalan po dito eh, Lou Pingawan Calag. Kayo po yun, di ba ma'am?
Opo.
Bawal po kasi ibalik ma'am, kaya kailangan nyo pong i-claim. Bale, i-claim nyo na lang po ma'am, may pipirmahan po kayo sa likod ng sasakyan, paki-open na lang po ma'am. May mga kasama po kayo dyan ma'am.
Meron.
Ayan po.
Ang tayo rin natin to. Mga damit at mga shoes daw. Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Surprise!
Wow, haba ng hair ate. Kanino po?
Mamaya, i-reveal natin kung kanino galing. So, ayan. Surprise! Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na?
25 po.
Ayun, ma'am. Sweet 25. Ayan po. So, meron po siyang inihanda na sorpresa. Meron pong teddy bear, cake, meron pa ding flowers, huge bouquet, and balloons. Ayan po. So, may idea naman po kayo kanino galing.
Yes po.
Alam na.
Yes.
Ayan. So, ano po nararamdaman ninyo, ma'am?
So happy. Thank you so much.
Gusto pa rin po niyang maging bahagi ng special na araw ninyo kahit na malayo po siya. Gusto po niya kayong pasayahin. Alam ko po na mahal ka po niya dahil todo effort po siya para lang po ihatid ang surprise na to. So, ayan ma'am, enjoy niyo po yung moment ninyo.
Yeah.
Ayan, flowers for you.
Thank you po.
Ayan, upo muna po kayo ma'am, enjoy niyo yung moment. Ayan, meron pa po siyang inihanda na sorpresa, simple message. My dear GF Lou, baby, blessed be this day as you celebrate your 25th birthday. I may not be in your side, but I'll be there in prayers. And you are always in my heart. I cannot promise everything, but I will make sure someday I'll bring you your wedding ring. I love you so much. Loving, Rizal. All the way from Korea. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin si Ma.
We are so lucky to have you as our friend and as an aunt. Hope your birthday is as special as you are. May all of your dreams come true. Thanks for being such a great companion. May God bless you with wisdom, knowledge, beauty, and a happy life. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much sa effort. Thank you so much sa lahat. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligaya, maligaya, maligayang bati. Bago nyo po i-blow yung candle, make a wish muna po. Yon. In behalf po sa Baguio Flowers and Gift Shop, we would like to say happy birthday, Ma'am Lou. And thank you for Sir Rizal na nag-purchase para sa surprise na to. More blessings po sa inyo, Ma'am. Sabi po sa salita ng Diyos, the Lord will bless you, the Lord will keep you, the Lord will make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. Happy 25th birthday!
Thank you.